Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a walk around tour on the Swift Elegance 565 2021. So for the 2021 Swift range, this is the only caravan that they are making with the single bed layout. So on a single axle caravan, they've certainly chosen the highest spec in the Elegance range. So here is a good look at the Elegance 565 2021. So wonderfully large front locker box there with the carbon fibre finish, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your electric hookup cable, step, water pipe, wheel brace, etc. Just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. ATC trailer control being standard on the Elegance range, making for a far safer and secure tow. Refreshed graphics for 2021, making it really stand out and showing off the Elegance in all its glory. Alco secure wheel lock also being a standard item with the Elegance range. You've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch underneath the front couches, and also a 240 volt exterior socket. Access hatch to underneath the right hand side single bed located there, and also benefiting from having the two-lay bike wrap fixings on the back of the caravan, and being an Elegance, you've also got at the top there the reversing camera. Completely woodless construction method, bearing a lifetime water ingress warranty and a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So stepping inside, you've got a generous size kitchen work surface there with work surface extension, a stainless steel sink and plenty of under counter storage. Also benefiting from a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath, with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. You've got an easy usable height microwave with further storage in the kitchen area, and also an omnivent in the kitchen area, taking out some of those cooking smells, but also bringing in some ambient temperature in the hot summer months. Two-tone effect that you see on the lockers, so slight change there for 2021 in that sort of cream over grey colour. And the fabric scheme they've chosen for 2021, you see here, very, very high quality and very durable fabric scheme, and really chic cushions to match. You've got the PIR sensor for the alarm that you see with the green dot on there. Short front chest with short pull-out table and storage. On the front chest area, we've got USB points, an auxiliary jack, and also a 240 volt socket. Matching curtains and individual switch on spotlights dotted throughout to create some a real ambient mood in the caravan. Further storage under there as you step inside the caravan, and your first television point located here to pop a TV on that side binnacle. You've got the Swift Command, so built-in mobile capability to control your caravan from a distance, but also while sat in it via Bluetooth. Digital DAB radio, and this particular model benefiting from the Alder wet central heating controlled by the panel there. In the centre of the caravan, you've got this lovely large, tall, slimline fridge with storage both underneath and also above. 2 single beds that you see located here, and that two-tone locker going throughout into the bedroom area as we step forwards to the bathroom. Nice large wardrobe to the rear of the bathroom. Your Thetford toilet tucked away there with the Alder heater in the bathroom area. Nice large sink with storage underneath. You've got your vanity mirror and large vanity mirror, and individual shower cubicle with water saving shower head. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Elegance 565 2021 has to offer. As I mentioned earlier, it's the only single bed layout that Swift are doing for 2021. So if it's the right layout for you, please feel free to contact us. We can also take you on a one-to-one virtual tour of the caravan if that's a need and a consideration for you if you're buying from a distance. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.